In this video, I'm going to show you what the Revolut BIC code and SWIFT code are. A lot of people get confused about these two terms, so let's clear it up first before I walk you through the steps. SWIFT code, which is sometimes also called BIC code, is basically an international identifier for your bank. Think of it as the unique address that tells other banks around the world exactly where to send your money. Whenever you're receiving an international transfer, the sender usually needs your IBAN along with SWIFT or BIC code. Now, let's see how to actually find your Revolut SWIFT or BIC code. First, open up your Revolut app and log into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the More option, which is shown by 3 dots. Tap on that, and from the pop-up menu, choose Account Details. Here, you'll see all the important information connected to your account, like your IBAN and, of course, SWIFT or BIC code. That's the code you need to give anyone who's sending you an international transfer. So, to recap, the Revolut SWIFT or BIC code are the same thing. It's the unique identifier for your Revolut bank account when it comes to international transfers. And the easiest way to find it is simply by logging into your Revolut app, going to More, then Account Details, and checking the information displayed there. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there, plus you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with 0 fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below